Welcome to Suite 9501. This is a couch bed that lets out into a queen that sleeps two. Above it is a twin bunk that pulls down from the ceiling so 3 people can sleep in this room. The balcony leaves you speechless. This cabin sleeps up to 5 people, but there is a table setting for 6. This cabin is perfect for families or just couples who need time away from the kids. The balcony is wraparound from the back to the side, and down the side here is a jacuzzi. Now, if you're on deck 9 like this cabin, people below can see you. So if you like more privacy, definitely book on a higher deck. Here's a list of additional perks included with booking an Excel Suite. And of course, you can't beat this view. And here's the main bedroom, which features additional seating and a chair to the side, as well as a vanity, similar to a regular balcony. This is the huge walk-in closet, and there's also a closet and drawers in the main living space. The bathroom has an extra large sink as well as a large shower. And there is a door that separates the toilet from the rest of the bathroom, with its own sink. You can access the bathroom from immediately entering the cabin, so this is the view from the other direction. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions about the Excel Aft Suites, let me know. And thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that button and put any comments below.